Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IP or Designing Developer. Like in the previous video, we have covered up many of the things using Python and artificial intelligence, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have built using Python and artificial intelligence. So today we are just working with DSA and we'll be doing a DSA video. So just I'm uploading videos since a long time, but now I will be uploading videos regularly, and today we are working with DSA, and then after this DSA video we'll be moving on to other Python artificial intelligence project, and I will be also starting the tutorial series as well, which I've telling you in the previous video. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, but before that, if you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using DSA in Python, and how we can use artificial intelligence in Python to build these amazing big projects. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that like how we are building this DSA Python project and what things it will be including, and how we are just using DSA in Python to build this amazing project from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using Python and DSA. So now we'll be starting with our video, and we'll be seeing that today what we are learning in Python, DSA, and how we are just building this amazing project which we are just building through Python in DSA. So for building this or using this amazing tag, we have to open our Python file, because you all know that when I was working with Python DSA, so I was just working with my files here. So I will be now directly moving to file. Then I will be now opening my file. So I'll be pressing open file, and my file is on desktop with the name of main.py, because we have created in the previous video, and our file name was main.py when we were working with Python. So I will be now pressing this file, and I will be pressing open file. So you can see my file has been opening. My file has been opened here, and now today I will be telling you what are the you can say what are numbers in Python. Means we'll be learning about what are numbers in Python when you are working with DSA. So I hope you'll be understanding this numbers video which we are working through Python. So now we'll be starting with this and seeing that how you can use numbers when you are working with Python. So for working with numbers, if I move to terminal, and after moving to terminal, if I write here Python. If I write Python, you can see now it is showing me your Python version is 3.10.10. And now if you want to work with numbers, I will be now writing simply like if I write numbers, and if I write this number like 25, if I write this number, then I will be pressing enter. And now I want to print this number, so I will be writing the print tag. After writing print tag, I will be writing numbers in this print tag, and I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now changing some things here, because I want that here it should be not written number. So I will be doing one thing. I will be closing it. Then I will be making new terminal, and here I will be now just writing Python again. This time I will be writing number is equals to value. Then I will be writing 25 in the number value. If I want to print this number, so I will be making a print tag in which I will be writing a number tag. Close this print tag, press enter. You can see now your number has been printed here 25, because in number tag we have written 25 number. So like this you can use the number tags as a string also, and you can also use it as a loops also, but we are using number tag both the ways. We are using this number tag, we are using it as a loop way as well, and we are also using it as a string way as well. So now if you want to print more numbers, so I will be writing numbers, then you can just write this square bracket in which you can write 20, and then if you want 20 to 25 numbers, so I will be now writing here 20 to 25 numbers. So here I will be now just closing it. Then I will be now writing 23, and I will be now just writing the value of 24 here. After writing in the end, I will be writing the value of 25. Close this, move down, right here print, and I will be now writing the value of numbers again. Then I will be closing this tag, and I will be moving down. You can see now it is showing me all the values which I have written in my numbers tag. Means I have written in square bracket, but it is showing me in one string. You can see all the number value till 25. I have written my number value, so it is showing me my number value till 25. You can see how good looking is that. So you can use terminal here to work with Python, and you can see when we want to work with DSA, so we are using Python terminal to work as DSA, and we are just using this terminal, and we are using the number tag in Python when we are working with DSA. So using number, we have just now learned how to print numbers when we are using the number tag. So I hope you understand how we can print numbers using the number tag. Now if you want to just write the random number here, so I will be now printing this like if you want to do addition with your number. So for doing addition, I will be now just pressing 6 plus 1 if I write this. Then I will be now directly pressing enter. You can see now it is showing me the answer because 6 plus 1 is 7, like you all know that. So if I just write this 6 plus 1, you can see it is showing me the answer of 7. So if you write this 6 plus 1 in colon, so it will be not showing you the answer because it is thinking that you are writing in colon means it is a comment which you are writing here. It is not the you can say command which you are writing to run. It is the comment which you are writing to define it in your you can say print tag, means to run it through your terminal. So now if I write this 6 plus 1, it will be not showing me the 7, means it will be not showing me the answer of 7, like at the top it has shown me. It will be only showing me 6 plus 1 again. If I press enter, you can see, like I'm telling you, it will be showing me 6 plus 1 again. So remember one thing, when you want to add anything, subtract anything, divide anything, multiply anything, you don't have to write these columns which I have written here. These are not required when you want to add anything, subtract anything. You can also do it with the number tag, but I'm doing in a simple way so you can understand. If you want to do it fast, so how you can do it in a simple way, you can use simply print tag. Then you have to write your figures. If you want to plus your figures, you can add the plus icon. If you want to minus, you can add minus, multiply, divide. So you can put the various you can say that you can put various values here. You want to put, like I want to plus this value, so I have written here plus. But if you want to minus, so you can put the minus value. Like if I write here print, and if I write 20 minus 19, or you can say 20 minus 12, then I will be now closing and pressing enter. You can see it is showing me 20 minus 12, which is 8. So if you want to multiply anything, I will be writing here like print, and in print I will be writing, you can multiply big figure as well and small figure. If I multiply 5 multiply by 10, then I will be closing it, press enter. You can see it is showing me the answer 50. Now if you want to print, or means if you want to divide anything, so I will be now writing here 4 divided by 2. If I write this and press enter, you can see now it is showing me 4 divided by 2, 2. But it will be showing you the division value in points value. But when we are getting 4, when we just divide 4 from 2, so we only get the 2 answer, not any of the decimal value. So because of that, it is showing me only 2.0 here. So like this, you can just use these values here and you can work with it. So this was the thing which I want to show you, and like this you can use numbers in Python. I hope you understand when we are working with DSA, so how we can use numbers value in Python. So if you have understood, enjoy this video of number value in Python. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just build this amazing project using these all amazing languages, because I'll be bringing up more projects like this, and I hope that will be giving you help, and that will be also really helpful for you. So remember to check out that projects as well, because that will be giving help to a beginner if they want to build that projects from start to end. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using Python and DSA. So for today, goodbye.